Hi, I'm Rachel Zheng, and I run ChineseForEnglishSpeakers.com. Today we're going to talk about how to pronounce ji, qi, xi in Chinese. As you can see, the consonants in Pinyin are symbolized as J, Q, and X, and respectively they're pronounced as ji, qi, xi. If you try to transcribe them to English, it would be ji, qi, and shi. But however, there's a lot of subtle differences here. So G in English, ji in Chinese. She in English, xi in Chinese. Qi in English, and qi in Chinese. I'm pretty sure you can hear the subtle difference, and the difference comes from the fact that in Mandarin these consonants are voiceless consonants, whereas in English these consonants are voiced consonants. So when you pronounce, let's say, qi in Chinese, as you can see, my lips are very flat, and so is my tongue. In my mouth, my tongue is completely flat, qi. Whereas if I say qi in English, it's almost like my tongue is curled, qi, and then my lips are flipping out more, qi, as if the sounds is coming from my throat. Whereas when you say qi in Chinese, everything is flat. And the same goes to ji and shi. So if a person speaks English with a Chinese accent, instead of saying a giraffe, he might say it's a giraffe, because that G sound is coming from the voiceless consonant in Chinese, whereas in English it's supposed to be voiced. So I hope this video has illustrated the difference between voiced consonants and voiced consonants. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to have a one-on-one course with me, please email ChineseForEnglishSpeakers@gmail.com. Thank you.